Yep, that's right. I bought myself a 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. Why did I buy that? Well, because it was cheap, and it's in really good shape, actually. A little dirty, needs a bath, but mechanically it's pretty good. Not a whole lot wrong with it. It's got a little bit of an oil leak, not a huge deal. Had a fuel leak in the back here, which I fixed. It was just the fuel line. A little bit rotted. I got a temporary fix where I cut the end off and put it back on, so I'll have to get some fuel line, new fuel filter and stuff like that for it, but no big deal there. Everything else is wrong with it that I've seen so far is just cosmetic. You know, little things like the vent window latches, they're both broke off. Little tear in the seat here, no big deal. A few paint chips. Top's pretty good. It's got, you know, minor cracking around the edges, but it's no big deal. It's good. A little dirty, but other than that, it's fine. And the biggest cosmetic issue is this fender here. But when I bought the car, I got another fender. It just needs to be painted and put on. So, yeah, I bought a Beetle. I think it was, I don't know if it was originally a California car, but it came from California at some point, and there's really no rust that I can find on it. The whole underside is undercoated. Pretty clean. Dirty, but clean. And yeah, it's a nice little rig. I'll take you back to the engine and show you. Apparently they took pretty good care of it. Had a lot of work done before I got it. And you can see it's not like any of my other cars. All the parts are here and there's not dirt everywhere. A little bit of oil there, not a huge deal. And yeah, it's mechanically it's ready to go. As far as I can tell, it may need a little bit of a tune-up, oil change, but other than that, it's really not too bad. And the car came with, like I said, the fender, and I also got a new dash, even though I don't really think I need it. It's in pretty good shape, but it's got a spare. It's got the fancy cassette player, all sorts of receipts for something. What do we got in here? Ooh, cassettes. All sorts of cassettes. What do we got? What am I going to be listening to in my new Beetle? Gotta have Kenny G. The Adventures of Philip Marlowe? No clue. A little bit of Patsy Cline. Why not? What else we got in here? Come on, give me the goodies. Vince Gill. Michael Bolton. What are these two? Radio Detectives. Tapes of yesteryear. And Reba McEntire. That's just perfect. Came with free. That's worth the price of the car right there. I mean, can you imagine me listening to Kenny G driving my Beetle convertible around town? I can see it now. Come on, close. Here we go. Yeah, but runs good. Drives pretty good, as far as I can tell. Fires right up. It's not warm right now, but a little tricky to drive with boots. Seems to shift good, stops good. Yeah, I don't think it was a bad buy at all. Clean her up a little bit and she should be good to go. Well, that was kind of a quick little tour of my new car here. As I go through it and I find other things wrong with it, I'll keep you informed and make some more videos. Like I said, I haven't had it long. I haven't really driven it anywhere because it's still in the middle of winter, and the convertible is not probably the best winter car. But as I find things wrong with it and you know, fix what I know is wrong with it, I'll make some more videos and we'll just see how this goes. I think it's pretty cool.